Let's finish our house with a bedroom and pick up a few tools to make life easier along the way. First, switch the camera to orthographic, point it north, and snap to a clean top-down view. Open the room panel, grab a single bed, and drop it in. Hold space to move around, R and T to rotate. Tap Shift to cycle snapping modes, grid, lines, or free placement. Add a nightstand. Now for the walls. From up here we can't see the windows, so the top view won't cut it. Switch to the floor plan view. This is where structural work feels right. Trace the new walls, then drop in a door. Want both at once? Split view lets you build in 2D and 3D together, perfectly in sync. Time to furnish. A desk, a chair, some lamps, a computer and its mouse, a nice piece of wall art, and one more floor lamp to warm it up. Rename the top level to Roof, then open the settings to export the full floor plan. And there it is, your whole home, one level per page.